All right, a long awaited video for me, for everyone probably. There's like weeds growing into the fucking thing.
Let's smoke them, dude.
See if it starts.
Spoder.
Oh, check these out. First of all, we just picked these bad boys up at Johnson's.
Give me a high five, dude. Hell yeah.
I think they're gonna be a pretty big hit. Probably more where that came from. Oh, there's another one I see already.
Oh, sick.
My brother bought this for me for my birthday.
Fuel pump came on, that's a good sign. Oh, what?
All right, so the plan today is to just start the process of making this thing look good again. So basically, we want to sand everything down. This shit paint job that we did is just like the worst thing ever, so we're gonna get rid of that. Start fixing things like this. We bought a bunch of fiberglass and a bunch of Bondo, so basically we're just gonna go over everything on the car and try to get it back to like when I first got this kit. Obviously it's not gonna get to that point, but we're gonna try to, like, as good as we can, we're gonna try to make it look good again. I was surprised it started, honestly.
Damn, dude, horsepower is sick.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. What should we do first?
Just
pull everything off?
Yeah, pull everything off. Really? I mean, it's a good thing we never painted the car.
Yeah, true.
Because now all we gotta do is just paint sand the body panels that we can remove. Bumpers, over fenders, shit like that, side skirts. We should probably just focus on sanding today, and then like another day we'll work on doing the body work. Because I think this chunk of the bumper back here, that's gonna be really hard. I don't know if we have the technology, but we can give it our best shot.
We have the technology, but probably not the skill.
Yeah. Yeah, let's just pull shit off. Shouldn't be too easy. It's just a bunch of these. I mean, shouldn't be too hard.
Look at this thing. I think I'm just gonna leave this on, see how that works out. Because a lot of the stuff we're gonna be doing today is just handiwork, like just working with our hands and probably not much talking. But we'll also be filming with that other GoPro over there. We'll have a bit of both. This might be kind of cool, I don't know. It's like you're playing a video game. Just everything that you would do, I'm not gonna do probably, because I'm dumb.
So what I'm doing over here is just targeting these spots that have no paint on them, because that's gonna show up in the wrap really bad. It's like here, here, and here, here, trying to get it real smooth until you can't really feel it.
Yeah, let me try that boy on this.
The Sandman?
Yeah.
It works really fucking well.
The goal isn't really to get all the paint off, it's just to be smooth when we put the vinyl over it. That takes it off, takes the paint right off. All right, I think this fender is ready for any Bondo work that we have to do to it. But otherwise, this one, pretty dang smooth. It doesn't have to be perfect, really. Like, if the vinyl lays on and doesn't look all bubbly like the paint was, then it's exactly what we're looking for. So just as long as it's smooth, which it is, we should be good. All right, so DJ just finished his fender. That's 2 fenders down, ready for, there is a couple spots, like I said, that we need to do some Bondo, but that will be for a different day. We're just gonna try to do as much sanding as we can today.
Just over here working.
Sanding done on these, they'll go off to Bondo, off to our assembly line of Bondo workers.
Yeah. Get that into the Bondo department over there.
Yeah, but we got the front bumper, the wing, which is just horribly like fish-eyed, probably the worst thing we have to do. And then the rear bumper has the most Bondo work that we're gonna have to do, or the side skirts, because we're gonna have to Bondo these back together. So yeah, we're just gonna do our best and see what happens. All right, we both agree that the wing sounds like a fun job, so we're gonna do that.
Yeah, this is like 80 grit. Oh, 60. Fuck.
Yeah, that shit burns.
That thing's OP.
This thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm useless. There's only one of them.
All right, taking a break from all the sanding.
Yeah, it's hard work, man. You know, you can't focus on your work if you ain't got your fucking jewel hit ready. My shit's dead as fuck. So I saw some tutorial video on YouTube on how to charge your jewel pod without a charger.
Oh,
Shit.
it's working.
Are you kidding me? I'm a genius, dude. Shit works, bro.
Yo, I forgot I just spray painted this rear bumper. This paint that's on the rear bumper isn't the same paint that's on the rest of the car. This is just regular spray paint, so it's coming up a lot easier and smoothing out a lot easier as well. So that's good. We got 2 side skirts, 1 fender, 1 rear bump, and the wing. All that we have left now is the frontal bumper, this other over fender. Still a little tiny bit on this over fender, but I gotta pull it off to get that stuff. And the big old hood. I think we're gonna start on the hood real quick, and then once this should be pretty easy, and once we finish this, we just got 1 bumper and 1 over fender. Especially these gloves with the little nipples on them.
All right, man, we're gonna have, you ever seen me one of them? We got a big old engine cover metal. There's 2 strokes over there. I like that sound.
I should go walk them on the scoot.
You should, dude. Go race.
Dude, I'll post this up on the.
Do it.
All right.
Do it right now.
I heard the sound of 2 strokes. Hell yeah. It was just some little girl learning how to ride a dirt bike. How's it looking?
It's almost done, dude.
Nice.
I think she's cooked.
Yeah.
Wow. Dude, this shit's about to explode.
Yeah, we got the hood done.
Dang, dude. Now all that's left is front bumper, which is like pretty smooth. Yeah, pretty smooth. Real smooth. I'm down with calling it quits for today because I got so much fucking homework to do.
All right, yeah, it's starting to rain, huh, too?
It is.
We'll call it at that for this video. This is gonna be part 1 in the however long it takes restoration.
I'm calling 3 parts.
3 parts.
That's what I'm saying.
But yeah, whatever. We'll figure it out as we go. But let us know in the comments what you think about the hands-on like chest cam and like all that kind of cool stuff.
This guy came to party. Damn. 2 strokes are so sick. I want one. Okay.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you to our patrons. Super hyped to get, like, actually start putting work into this thing like we did today, and finally get it back to where I'm, like, proud of it, and it's not just sitting in my yard, like, collecting dust and spiders. So yeah, we'll see you in part 2 of this.
I'm the motherfucking band man. Ice cream paint on my Louis
Nice.
V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy can. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the band band. Meet me at the Denny's cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo account. How many do you got? Bitch, you know I can't count. I just dropped a rack on a couple new rack mounts so I can put some racks on my racks. Watch me ball out.